And welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today, as you can see behind, we got the sprayer on the back and we're going to be killing off some grass. And the reason we're doing this is because this ground's going to be ploughed, as you can probably guess. So we've put on the sprayer, took it out the shed, and we're going to be, show you the gauge if I can get to it. So we're going to be filling it up to 700 and then, whoa, that was close, and then doing 2 loads. We've got a few fields to do, we might not get them all done today, but yeah, sun's out, it's a little tiny bit windy, which is good conditions. And yeah, hopefully kill off all this grass so we can plough it, else it'll be difficult to plough. That's the reason you want to do that. But yeah, so let's fill this up, put chemical in it, and then we'll be off spraying. Two loads to do. It's on 700 at the moment, and we'll fill it up again, back up to 700. Hopefully do this field, and I'm not sure how much acres this field is, but I'll put it on the screen now so you will know how much acres, because I don't know off the top of my head. Just got some drone footage, you can see myself there, and yeah, hopefully that was good. So got most of this field done now. See, he's coming up again. Move the drone out of the way. And it won't be long before all this grass dies off, and then we'll be getting straight to ploughing. today, that is spraying done. Got a fair bit done today. And that for today is spraying done. We do have one more field to do, kill the grass, but for now that is done. And in a future video, which will probably be next video, we'll go up to them fields that we sprayed and show you that, well, hopefully that the grass has died off. Got to give it a chance first, and then we'll be ploughing it. But yeah, we've taken this one off soon, and what we'll do is just rinse it out a few times. You don't want cross-contamination between chemicals in the next batch. So right now there will be some grass killer in it. If we're going to go and spray docks and there's still grass killer in it, it's going to get rid of the grass, and then we're going to have no silage instead of just getting rid of docks, and that is not a mistake you want to make. So yeah, make sure that one is cleaned out. But anyway, sun's coming out now. That is the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.